Welcome dear students, class 8 mathematics. You are with Zainab Bahari. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 2, exponents. Part 2, exercise 2b. Dear students, now we will solve few of the examples from exercise 2nd B. Exercise 2nd B. Question 1, compute. In that sixth example, we are going to solve 12 to the power negative 2 into 3 to the power 3. We will write the factors of 12 as 2 into 2 into 3 to the power negative 2 into 3 to the power 3. 2 to the power 2 into 3 bracket to the power negative 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 3. Let us separate the powers. 2 to the power 2 into negative 2. Since it is the power law, we will apply here. Multiplied by 3 to the power negative 2 into 3 to the power positive 3. Bases are same, we will add the powers on multiplication. And here 2 into negative 2 is equal to negative 4. So in the next step we write as 2 into negative 4 into 3 to the power negative 2 plus 3 is equal to 2 to the power negative 4 into 3 to the power 1. That is 3 upon 2 to the power positive 4. We have taken its inverse in order to make the power positive, which is equal to 3 upon 16. Next example, example number 7. Negative 5 to the power 4 multiplied by negative 5 to the power 6 divided by negative 5 to the power 9. Here, bases are same and multiplication and division is there. So, negative 5 to the power 4 multiplied by negative 5 to the power 6. This divide by we will convert as multiplication. So, we will take reciprocal of it. 1 upon negative 5 to the power 9. Now, bases are same. Multiplication and division we will do. So, subtraction and addition we will do here. Negative 5 to the power 4 plus 6 minus 9. Since here there is a product, we will add the powers and it is division, we will subtract the power. Negative 5 to the power 4 plus 6 minus 9 equal to negative 5 to the power 10 minus 9 equal to negative 5 to the power 1. Let's go for the 11th question. 27 upon 64 to the power negative 2 by 3. 27 we write as 3 cube and 64 we write as a 4 cube. 3 cube upon 4 cube to the power negative 2 by 3. Let us distribute the power. So, by using power law, 3 to the power 3 into negative 2 upon 3 upon 4 to the power 3 into negative 2 by 3. Like terms, common factors will be removed. 3 to the power negative 2 upon 4 to the power negative 2. Negative powers we will convert into positive by making reciprocal. So 4 by 3 and the power 4 to the power 2 upon 3 to the power 2, which is equal to 16 by 9. This we can write as a mixed fraction as 1 7 upon 9. Here we go with next question. Question A. Show that x to the power a upon x to the power minus b, the bracket power a minus b, into x to the power b upon x to the power negative c to the power b minus c, into x to the power c upon x to the power minus a whole bracket power c minus a equal to 1. We have to show here left hand side equation is equal to right hand side equation. By using the laws of expansion, laws of exponent, we solve this example. As the bases are equal and division is there, we will subtract the powers. So here x to the power a minus negative b the whole power a minus b into x to the power b minus c the whole power b minus c to the power c minus negative a the whole power c minus a is equal to this negative will become positive in every number. So x to the power a plus b into x to the power a plus b to the whole power a minus b into x to the power b plus c whole power b minus c x to the power c plus a whole power c minus a. So we saw here, due to this subtraction process, all the negatives in each of the term becomes positive. Now power's power, so power law we will use and we will do the multiplication. So x to the power a plus b into a minus b into x to the power b plus c into b minus c into x to the power c plus a into c minus a. By the formula of expansion a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, we write here x to the power a square minus b square, x to the power b square minus c square, x to the power c square minus a square. Now as the bases are same, we will add all the power since there is multiplication. So x to the power a square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square. Now positive a square, negative a square is removed, negative b square, positive b square is removed, negative c square, positive c square is removed. So remains x to the power 0. And as we know, any base has power 0, then the value is 1. So from this we can say that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now let's go for the question number 11. M plus n to the power negative 1 into m to the power negative 1 plus n to the power negative 1 is equal to mn to the power negative 1. To convert the negative power positive, we will take its a reciprocal. So left hand side is equal to 1 upon m plus n into 1 upon m plus 1 upon n is equal to 1 upon m plus n into, here LCM is mn and we will add m and n. So m plus n upon mn. That is 1 upon m plus n into m plus n upon mn. Common factors from the numerator and denominator are removed. So remains 1 upon mn. That is equal to mn to the power negative 1, which is proving here the left hand side is equal to right hand side. So dear students, here we complete exercise second B. Kindly do the practice by solving more and more examples based on exponents.